From the Storm Team 8 Tracking Center, this is a severe weather alert.
First up at 5:30, a line of showers and storms blow through West Michigan, knocking out power to thousands, and there's a chance more are on the way.
Ellen Baca and Sarah Flynn both standing by in the tracking center for us tonight, and we want to begin our coverage with the chief. Ellen.
The first line of storms was so powerful that it's really lessened the threat for the second line if it pushes through, which is exactly what we'd like to hear. Here's the current placement of the initial line of showers and storms. You can see it's completely continuous as it rolls through Saginaw and Flint, passing through Lansing and getting closer and closer to Ann Arbor and Detroit. Meanwhile, here in West Michigan, our alerts have expired, which is great news. You still have to watch for a stray lightning bolt this evening that could hold up any practices that you might have. But other than that, we're not looking for any more damaging winds or even strong storms at this point, just some batches of light rain. Speaking of light rain, that's what Ionia County, Berry County, most of Kalamazoo and Calhoun are experiencing. And these are also some of the areas that experienced quite a bit in terms of wind, knocking out power for so many. So quick check of Storm Track Live to show you the rain that's on the board. And now a look at power outages by county. By far, you can see Kent County, Ottawa County ranking in the 40 to 50,000 consumers without power at this point in time. Ionia less so, closer to about 12,000. That goes for Berry County as well. Allegan County, Kalamazoo, Calhoun County also lighting up with tens of thousands without power. Luckily, the weather is going to be nicer over the next few days, which will aid in restoration. Not only do we see wind, we saw a lot of rain. Meteorologist Sarah Flynn is here now. Sarah, how much do we see today and over the last couple of days?
Yeah, it's been a rainy couple of days out there. Flash flooding was also a concern besides the wind gusts that we saw. Luckily, haven't seen too many reports of just that, but the top rain reports over the last couple of hours here, about or around an inch, anywhere from about a trace to an inch across much of the area. Near Holland, an inch, as well as Greenville, north of Grand Rapids in that range as well. Further down to the south, just north of Kalamazoo, sitting at about a half of an inch. These are radar estimates, so not official reports, but that being said, it does align well with many of our reports. Now, if we take a look back at the past 2 days, though, bit of a twofold situation. Now we've seen a lot of rain because just a day ago or so, we saw more than an inch as well. So when you combine that, we're seeing anywhere reports from about 2 to even close to 4 inches in some localized locations. So luckily, we did escape today without seeing too many of those flash flood alerts. There is a chance, though, we could still see some scattered showers and thunderstorms overnight. This time around, they shouldn't be severe. Ellen will have a look at those in just a couple of minutes.